2020 is round the corner, and here's the upcoming preview and highlights for the Tomica release in January 2020. For the main line, you have the pair of BMW Z4 in regular and first color release. This includes suspension and opening tops without any other opening parts. Which I wonder, will they have any more casting with opening doors for 2020 this time? The number 98 personnel transport vehicle, which I assume this is a Japanese riot police bus. There's also a new series, the Light and Sound Tomica, which I think is used to be the 4D series, but for this series, not just sound and vibration, it comes with lights as well. The Light and Sound is launched in 4 casting, the police and fire truck with working lights and sound, and also the pair of Lamborghini Huracan Performante in red and blue with light and sound as well. For Tomica Premium, you have the number 4 Nissan Skyline GT SR, which I think is a very awesome casting looking at the photos. I like the main line, apart from the suspension, it has the opening doors. A pair of Lamborghini Gallardo is also released, with the regular color in green, and also the orange for the commemorative colors. For Tomica Premium RS, you have the pair of Japanese nostalgic car, the Toyota 2000 GT in white and red. These are considered the national treasures of Japan, and at the scale of 1:43, it features opening doors, and I think the price is at the higher end for what it has to offer. For Toys R Us exclusive, you have the Toyota CHR in European color specification in red, the Epita series which features the permanent Toyota 2000 GT in Japanese flag livery to celebrate 2020. The Ito Yokkaido exclusive which features the Subaru Impreza WRX with tri-color specification, the Tomica Premium Takara Tomimo exclusive Fair Lady Z in orange, which I think will pass very well with the regular version in Wangan Midnight Theme in blue. Lastly, the Dream Tomica series, which is also the 7-Eleven exclusive. It features the A86 Tofu car, which appears in every Initial D series. Of course, this is the icon. The Toyota MR2 casting, which I'm looking very forward to. And also the Red Suns FC3S RX7. Quite a start for 2020 with so many castings to collect. I'm looking forward for more exciting series from Tomica in the year 2020. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!